Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I want to share with you guys this utility light that I've been using for all my DIY work. It's great for like basements and crawl spaces and places that you don't have enough light, but you want to see what you're doing. But for videos, this is a nightmare. But if I tell you right now, but this is what I've been using for my videos, you won't even believe me. But all I've been doing all along the whole last year since I started my YouTube videos is using this light right here to record all my videos. There's some places you go sometimes, or like a customer's home, and the basement or the room is just doesn't have enough light. So I already take this. So maybe you're working at night and there's not enough light. So all the good videos you guys are watching, I've been using this. But all I've been doing is basically just blasting this thing on the wall over there. And it is a nightmare to control, the harshness of the light and to just control the shadows. So I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can just see how bright. That's just one of these. And as you can see how bright that thing is on the wall right there. And then if I turn the second one, it is insane. It is bright. But what I've been doing is like, just tinker with it, maybe lift it up in the ceiling, on a white ceiling, to like get some lighting and enough to record some videos. Just using whatever you had. God came to Moses and he told Moses, what do you have in your hand? And Moses said, I have this stick right here. And that stick changed the life of so many. And so we can just use whatever you have. Eventually you'll get there and you'll be able to buy those nice lighting and stuff and be able to record your videos. All right? Look how bright that thing is. It's got its own tripod. It can lift it up and do all those stuff with it. But controlling it, it's super crazy. But it looks like that. It is very bright. As I showed you a little bit a minute ago, the lighting that I've been using is the utility light, like the super bright light that I've been using, but I am upgrading to a better light. I was able to buy the Aputure Amaran 200X for my new DIY setup. I like it because it's super bright. I'm just gonna do an unboxing really quick, and then I can show you guys how it looks like. I already opened this up on the top, but not the box itself. So, all right, so this is the lighting that I just got. Right here, if you can see, it's an Amaran 200XS. It's a very nice box. These writings will have like grooves on it. It's very nice. This is a major upgrade from what I had before. So I can't wait to set up this together and be able to use it and be able to record more video for you guys too. I also went and got one of these super clamps from K&F. I'm gonna use all of this to hold my cameras. And on this box here that I haven't even opened yet, it's the light diffuser. Like, I'm going all out, guys, because I want to make good videos and with good lighting, because it is important. So let me take it out of the box. Right here, guys. So I got an Aputure also. These are all made by Aputure, right? So I'm gonna set it up all together today so we can see it all. And then the style that I wanted something that can move around the house when I'm recording. I saw a YouTube setup on a wheel, on something like this, and I was thinking, yeah, that can be really amazing for my DIY stuff. And I got most of this inspiration from a YouTuber by the name Omar. I'm gonna try to link his video there. He's a really good guy. Seems like somebody who loves God like I do, and I follow him and I watch his videos. And so this is what I'm gonna use also. And my reason for this is because when I'm recording a video at home or when doing my DIY, I wanted something that I can move around. And I felt like this was more sturdier and stronger for my setup. So I got this super clamp as well. And all like I said, I'm gonna link all these things at the end of the video. But shout out to Omar. I can't say his last name. He's got his last name a little difficult. But he used to record videos for Think Media, but he has his own channel now. So this is one of the clamps that I'm gonna use, and this is gonna go just right here to hold my camera. But I bought one of these. It comes with these things over here, and I'm gonna set it up as I go, and I'll show you guys exactly what I did. So this is one of my new upgrades from my old utility light. So that's gonna sit right on the side there for a second. But let's open these things so we can see. I know everybody's waiting. And I'm gonna link all these things at the end of the video. But I like this one, this thing here. It seems super cool. So some of this might hold my microphone or might hold all different kinds of things on this setup. But this is gonna go somewhere here as well. Probably gonna put this is the clamp that goes right here. This might be the one I hold in my microphone. So I'm gonna hook it up just right here for now. Then we'll line up everything correctly once it's all set up. This is so amazing. Like this has like three joints, 1, 2, 3. But the only thing that the thing that tighten everything is right here. So if I tighten this, it tightens right here. Isn't that crazy? And it tighten up here too as well. So I can't even like lift this up. So weird. So I just tighten up, and then I'm just gonna tighten up a little bit over there. There you go. Cool. So that one sticks out like that. So I'm gonna put that aside, and then we can do the unboxing for this light. So I'm pretty sure everybody wants to see it. This is going to give my DIY videos a major upgrade. So it comes like, it looks like this in the box. Package is really nice. I think I'm gonna keep this, I don't know, maybe keep this styrofoam box things if I'm traveling, but we'll figure that out. So let me start with, it's got a long power cable with like a little click thing here to lock right there. And then a bigger brick of the charger. And I like that it comes with this metal thing here so you can hook it up there so it's not on the floor. But I think the cable is long enough you can still hang on. All right, so let's remove this out of the box. So it comes, and then there's like this shiny thing here, reflector. On the side here, there's like a little gear, thing here, switch. So if you push the switch down, so then when you remove this, then you got your light. Here it is, guys. The video that inspired me by Omar, he was using the Amaran like this, but it's the 60DS or something like that. A lot of people said they didn't have a lot of light, so then there was 100 one. So I just went for because I'm planning to upgrade this in the future. So wanted to go with something that I can later on, if I get another one like this, I have enough for my studio. So then this one is gonna go, let me move it so you can see on my, hopefully you guys can see this. I'm gonna go check, make sure. This is gonna go there. Oh, I don't wanna break it before I use it. So I'm gonna put it down here so you guys can see. So like I was saying, if you're opening this in the garage, the thing I did, I didn't realize that this thing's open there. So this zipper goes all the way here. So I was standing and then I just opened it. Just opened this, and when I was like, it just slip off like that. If you're spending money on anything, I believe that you need to take care of it. If you're spending money on anything, take care of it. So you don't want to break it in your garage. So I have never heard anything like this. So I need to figure out how to put it together. But the instruction says it's pretty easy. It just comes like this. There's like a lock right here, I think, that comes in and locks right here, because this other side is already locked. So I'm gonna put it down here and then lift it up and then just push the other side too. There you go. I locked it. And then I just need to pull this here. There you go. And there it is. So then, in this bag, I think there's like the diffuser right here. So let's open that. There's this one here, shiny one, that I think goes here. The reflector, keep the light not so direct. There's this one here, the shiny one. Right here. So yeah, I think it goes like that. But this gold part faces the front. The silver part is in the back here. So this is the mini one. This is not like the giant one. This is the Aputure Light Dome Mini 3. This white one goes first. It goes like here. It goes from the inside. And then we have this thing here. And then I think this one now goes right on that little, this will go like on this little spot right there. And you just, I think it just goes like this. All right, I got it. There it is. That looks nice. All right, so I'm gonna bring this stand over here so I can show you guys. All right, so the stand is right here. We're gonna put this thing in here, Bowens mount. I think it just goes in like everything else. There it is. All right, it's locked in. Okay, so now this is where we're saying you can hang that. You can hang it right there. But let me turn it on so you guys can see what the difference is. Let me move it over here. With the diffuser at 30%, it looks like that. No shadows. It looks good, I think. Let me turn everything off over here. So that's, with the diffuser, that is 30%. Unless I messed up on putting the little reflector thing in there. So let's go to like, that is 30%, 20%. That's what it looks like. 20%. So if I go, let's go like 50. 40%, it looks like that, okay? So if I release this, like that, and then move this back and maybe tilt this a little bit that way. I think, yeah, I don't feel like I'm overwhelmed by that light. And that's not like the one, my utility light. So let me get it down a little bit. So now it's at 40%. I will record some videos for you guys using this so you guys can see exactly how this thing works. So over here, I'm gonna put my camera right here on this piece right here. And then this new thing here, it's gonna hold my, this is where I'm gonna put my microphone. Maybe I'll put it on this side, on that section right there. And then my microphone will go there. But that will be after as I move this up there. So it's not like down here. Anyway, I wanted to share with you guys and see my new setup now. I won't be stuck with the utility light. Let me turn it off and then show you my utility light again. So now this is my new setup right here. Let me just plug it in down here on my extension thing here so you guys can see. Here's my new light. And this is my new light right here. This was my old one. This thing here. I'm gonna move back a little bit. All right, so this is my new setup, guys. My new setup right here. I like it a lot. I'm gonna keep working on it and tweaking it and adding more stuff on it until I perfect it, okay? But this is my new setup right here. This one here, this was my old setup, my old lighting for my videos. What a difference, man. Look how I now have like a professional lighting, but before I use this utility light, you know, so no excuses. I still recorded the videos no matter what. Still works. I might still use it because I think just blasting the light on the wall sometimes can give you like a perfect lighting. Does it make a huge difference right now with this? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, just wanted to share with you guys and my experiences, my excitement. As always, please subscribe and support my channel. Let's build this together. Thank you.